How to find group notifications settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find the group notifications settings on Truecaller. First open Truecaller, and after that just select any group you want, like this one here, and now click these 3 points in the top corner and then click group info, and here you will find notifications. Click on it, and that's it. Here you can manage notification settings and you can turn it off if you want. It's easy. That's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.